Hi viewers, I'm Dr. Rajani here. Today in this session we are going to see about the competitive examinations. Very toughest examination people call, but it was introduced in 2013 only, but still people are having a controversial opinion about this. When there are a lot of examinations are there, people never bother about this, but people are very much worried about this NEET examinations, because any kind of an examinations can be given little compromise, but not NEET. Why? Because this is the examination which is going to define whether the student is going to become a doctor. The doctor is nothing but he is going to save the life of the patients. So the saving of a life, which is nothing but the people who have done their MBBS and higher educations, through this NEET examination only the selection process happens. Here also UG and PG is there. I am a National Testing Agency observer for NEET examinations. So here this examination is just not a step. It is a journey of life. So the people who are appearing for this NEET examinations, they will be getting MBBS seat and they can become a doctor by general. Then BDS, they can study. Also, they can become a veterinarian or homeopathy, Unani. Like there are a lot of examinations are there where the students can have this NEET examinations and they can become a doctor. 3 hours 20 minutes these examinations are given, and this is OMR based examinations, and the age 17 years must be completed. Their pass percentage is just 50 marks only. Similarly, the people must have 12th 50 percentage, and SC/ST even 40 percentage is enough for them. So this question paper pattern is syllabus from +1 and +2 only. Question pattern is 200 questions will be there, where the students have to answer 180 questions to be answered, where physics 45 marks, biology, there will be botany and zoology together, it is 20, and the next one is you can see chemistry, it is 45 questions, and biology there is 90, because botany and zoology together it is coming, so 90 marks. So physics 45, biology 90 marks, and chemistry 45 marks. So all together this is questions will be there accordingly. 720 marks total. Out of it, the students who are given a right answer will get +4 marks as a reward. If they are answering wrong, -1 wrong will be there. So here the marks according to the grade out of 720, how much is required. The general category, it is 135 to 145 marks. That means 50 percentage, where the government colleges will give the seat. That is 555 to 600 marks if the students are scored. For the OBC students, the people who are SC/ST, they have to be 150 marks, 105 to 115 marks must be there, whereas they can have 40 percentage of the marks are eligible for the private colleges. Then general category, PWD, 120 to 130 marks, 45 marks, 45 percentage is required for the other category of the colleges to join. So this examination and application forms will be open in this window called NTA, and February 8th to March 11th this window will be open for applying NEET examinations, and this examinations will be usually conducted in the month of May first week. So students, the people who are interested to get this NEET score well, if you want any doubts, clarifications, even if the parents, it's not a pressure cooker. You know, the students are not a pressure cooker. See, I wanted to become a doctor. I'm just forcing my son or a daughter to study doctor. No way. It is not with the pressure. They are not a pressure cookers to put all the pressure on them. If they are interested, then only this has to be taken. Even if the child wanted to take other subject without appearing a NEET like D Pharm or any other courses like biochemistry or any courses like forensic science or something like that, for that NEET is not required. Only for MBBS, BDS, veterinary, homeopathy, Unani and other kind of things are required this. For other subjects, there are n number of subjects where I am a advisory board director for Apollo Paramedical and Nursing Council of India. There are more than 750 courses are there. There are paramedical, nursing and non-paramedical courses also there. So if the students who are applying for this NEET, maximum 50% will go for the some other courses. Because I have seen most of the students who have appeared for a NEET, they did not get and they have gone for a BTech BE or some other courses. They have chosen their career in a different way and they are all a successful one. So here mark is not a criteria and the students' knowledge, how depth they are in, this is to be analyzed very clearly. So any doubts, any clarification, you can call me at 82473 82127. I am an observer, NTA, for the NEET examinations. Namaste.